Ho, Uncle Nudge here. It's been cold, really cold. I haven't been able to get out. I tried to go up to the mountains and it was just too slick. It was a no-brainer to come home. And so anyway, second Tuesday of the month is coming up, and there's going to be 3 Jade field trips, thus the Jade title. But you do need to join the club, and they need to vote you in. And then in March, you can go ahead and go on the field trips, and you can learn to find Jade, identify it. Going to go to 3 different places: March 8th, March 15th, March 22nd, and just come to the club anyway. It's a great time. There's a lot of experts there on all kinds of things. And of course, there's going to be food there, and demonstrations, and an awesome silent auction. And you can meet me and everybody else. And we are going to have our sale March 1st. It's at the same place, and I'll be there and hope to see you there. And if you show up, introduce yourself to me. Be awesome. See you there.